Take a look at how we transformed this backyard into a mini putt-putt course. We started off by finding and marking the placement of the putting cups. After digging the hole, the putting cups are placed, packed in concrete, and leveled out. Cups are wrapped with a plastic sleeve so that they can be pulled to the height they need to once the turf is placed. The putting cups should be perfectly level. We excavated all the dirt and put down the geotextile fabric. We used about 4 inches of limestone 57 as the base, which is compacted every 2 to 3 inches. We added 1 inch of 9 above that to get a flat surface with some contours. The fringe will be laid out once we have the surface ready. Cutting at the edges for fringe should be in line between the seams to prevent the grass from falling off randomly. Lines are drawn out on the putting surface using chalk to mark where the fringe will be. The cups are marked out to make sure they are not too close to the fringe. The putting green is cut into the fringe to ensure they match up exactly. We knead them together with a tough binder which will hold the seams together. This is used to ensure that there won't be any turf popping up when the wind blows. And that's how we did it.